Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I just wanted to go over our daily newsletter quick this morning for Friday. It's Day Trade Friday. Really looking forward to today. So Costco got upgraded this morning, guys, from hold to buy. They increased the price target from 321 to 435. That's going to be one we're going to be putting on our watch list. COST. You guys could write that down right now. Chewy was upgraded from hold to buy, 59 to 100. I'm not a fan of Chewy, but we could look at that. Caterpillar's a nice one we're going to take a look at. Caterpillar was raised to 220 a share. I'm putting those on my notepad here. Clorox was downgraded from overweight to neutral, price target 235. KeyBank raised Chipotle Mexican Grill CMG price target from 1,300 to 1,475. The nice thing about Chipotle, they have no debt. That's why that stock's continuing to climb and take off there. They lifted their price target on Costco from 321 to 435, like we said above there. Chewy, nothing else there. Stock futures are rising nicely after a 3-day slide after better than expected retail sales data, especially coming out from Amazon. And if we take a look there, we'll take a look at that in shortly here. JB Hunt, I expect to do really well. Transportation industry is doing great. I think that's going to take off nicely. Let's see what else is moving here. Apple's up about 0.85%, getting a climb off that 10-day simple moving average. Amazon's here up over 1%. We got an Amazon vertical spread yesterday in the afternoon pro trader. It was actually a paycheck trade we made for next week's expo. We picked up the 33.95, 3,400 vertical spread, and that is looking really great here. I'll be right on. Sorry, I just got a package I've been waiting for. So Amazon is looking great. As you guys could see here, looking at that daily chart on Amazon, we're getting a climb off that 10-day simple moving average. We got that vertical spread. That's going to have max net gains above $3,400 a share, and that's going to be over 150% or there. So let's continue to get on a list here, see what else is taking off. Baidu's on the climb. Let's see. Chipotle Mexican Grill still climbing. We were talking about this yesterday in the afternoon pro trader session about making a trade on it. The only thing is, single contract costs $5,000. They have earnings next week, so quite expensive. Let's see what else is moving here in the pre-market hours. GE is still taking off of 1.31%. Let's see what else we got. Macy's is still climbing going into the holiday season here. So I might pick up some Macy's. Macy's options are dirt cheap here. We could pick those up pretty cheap and look for that climb up to about $7 there. Microsoft still on the climb here, up about 0.5%, climbing off that 10, looking good. NVIDIA having another nice move there, holding that 10-day simple moving average that's been acting as support, climbing off that. Shares up about $6, up 1% for the day. And let's see, our Pinterest is taking off again. Pinterest has just been continuing to break higher there, been really strong. Qualcomm's up another 1%, breaking out. Remember, that was just upgraded to $145 a share. So I think we'll see that continue to run. Snapchat is ready to break out again. I really want to pick up some Snapchat shares, or not shares. We'll pick up some options, maybe even do an out of money vertical spread. But Snapchat's so cheap here, we could pick up some regular calls for the November 20th expo, and we'd be fine with those. Tesla is finally on the move, back up, breaking above 453 a share here. So that's looking good. Maybe we can see Tesla take off a little bit here. Things are looking great this morning, guys. The Dow Futures are up. So the Dow Futures pre-market hours here are up about 140 points. S&P's up about 16 points, and the NASDAQ's up about 80 points. So looking to be a great day. And those of you on YouTube here, we have a free class, a free getting started class with options tonight at 5 p.m. So make sure you sign up for that. You could go to breakingchartalerts.com, or you guys could go to our Facebook business page and search Breaking Chart Alerts and get signed up for that free class today at 5 p.m. Hope everyone has a great day. If you guys want to come trade with us and be live with us in our trade room and everything else here, just go to join now, click membership pricing plans, get signed up, and then to come into the trade room, right here. You go into live trading, click on live trade room. To see all of our trades, you go to trade alerts, and you guys could check out our trade alerts right here. And anything you click on, Amazon paycheck trade. That was a great paycheck trade made here. And you guys could see all the details of that trade. And then if you guys want some classes, some lessons, you click on education and you'll see all of our classes here. Classes are longer. We got quite an archive of those from beginner, intermediate, advanced. And if you want some lessons, go to the lesson library and you can see some shorter, 10-minute lessons and get that set up for you guys. Okay. Great lessons here for you guys. And I will see you guys live shortly. Hope everyone has a great day. God bless. Stay safe. And let's kick some butt today, guys. SPY's looking good. Here's SPY chart. Here's Diamond ETF. And here are Q's Tech. So looking good, guys. It's going to be a great day. See you guys shortly. Take care and happy trading today.